Solve the differential equation d square y by dx square plus 5 times dy by dx plus 6y equals e raised to negative 2x multiplied to sine 2x. When we make use of the differential operator capital D equals d by dx, the given differential equation can be written as capital D square plus 5 times capital D plus 6 acting on y equals the RHS e raised to negative 2x multiplied to sine 2x. Capital D equals m and RHS equated to 0 will give us auxiliary equation as m square plus 5m plus 6 equals 0. This auxiliary equation has two roots which are real and distinct. The roots are m1 equals minus 3 and m2 equals minus 2. Therefore, the complementary function will be constant times e raised to negative 3x plus another constant times e raised to negative 2x. In order to find out particular integral, since the RHS is of the format e raised to ax into a function on independent variable x, we have 1 by f of d acting on e raised to negative 2x sine 2x can be rewritten as e raised to negative 2x multiplied to the new operator 1 by f of d plus a acting on sine 2x, where a is the coefficient of x which appears in the power part of exponential function. Here, instead of e raised to ax, we have the function e raised to negative 2x, from which we have a equals minus 2. Hence, we have capital D in the expression of f of d will be replaced by capital D plus a, which equals capital D minus 2. We have f of d equals d square plus 5d plus 6, and the new operator 1 by f of d minus 2 will replace capital D in f of d by capital D minus 2. That is, we have f of d minus 2 equals d minus 2 the whole square plus 5 times d minus 2 plus 6. Wherever d appears, we have replaced it using d minus 2 and obtained this operator. On simplification, we have denominator becomes capital D square plus d. Therefore, pi equals e raised to negative 2x multiplied to 1 by capital D square plus capital D acting on sine 2x. Since we have this operator 1 by capital D square plus capital D acts on trigonometric function sine 2x, where coefficient of x which appears inside the function is 2. We have capital D square can be replaced by negative of coefficient of x which appears in sine 2x the whole square. That is, capital D square can be replaced by negative of square of 2, which is negative 4. Capital D square has been replaced by minus 4, and we have pi equals e raised to negative 2x multiplied to 1 by capital D minus 4 acting on sine 2x. In order to transform the denominator to the format a square minus b square, we will multiply numerator and denominator using capital D plus 4, so that the denominator becomes capital D square minus 4 the whole square. That is, denominator becomes capital D square minus 16. Again, this capital D square can be replaced using negative 2 the whole square, which is negative 4. Therefore, capital D square when replaced by negative 4, it becomes negative 4 minus 16, which equals negative 20. In the numerator, we have capital D plus 4 will act on sine 2x. That is, derivative of sine 2x plus 4 times sine 2x is obtained in the numerator, along with e raised to minus 2x getting multiplied in the numerator. We have derivative of sine 2x equals cos 2x multiplied to 2. Since you can take 2 common outside from these two terms in the numerator, and we have a 2 getting cancelled from the denominator, we will obtain pi equals negative e raised to 2x upon 10 multiplied to cos 2x plus 2 times sine 2x. We have the required general solution will be sum of CF and pi.